Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to explain cross join, a type of join that many students and even the experienced candidate often overlook. Most people are familiar with inner join, left join and other types, but when it comes to cross join, they either skip it or don't understand when and how to use it. So make sure that you watch this video till the end. This concept might be the missing piece in your SQL toolkit. So here we go. So we have got the product table and discount table. It's a very simple question. So what is required is that we have to find the discounted price for each product. So what I mean to say is that we have to take each product and we have to find the discounted price of each product. So for laptop, the first product that you can see in the table, for this product, for this one discount, D5 discount, that is 5%, what will be the price? So this is the price. Okay. Now again, laptop, the same product, when discounted with D10, what would be the price? So this is the price. Okay. Again, laptop, you're going to check for the third one. Okay. That is D20. So what's the discounted price? So we have to do it for each and every product. So for phone also, we have to check it for all the discount labels that are in our table. For tablet also, we have to do the same. We have to do it for all the discount labels that we have in a discount table. Now it's very simple if you know cross join, but if you do not know cross join, then it will be a difficult question to answer. So let's quickly look into the query. As you can see that I've created the table. Also, I've inserted the data into the table. I'll provide you the code in the description of the video. All right. Let me quickly query both the tables in order to show you the data. In the product table, as you can see that we have 3 products. We also saw this table on the slides. In the discount table, we have got 3 discount labels and the respective discount percent. Okay. So what we have to do is we have to do a cross join between the two tables. So I'll quickly do one thing. I'll delete this one and I'll say cross join discounts. Yeah, that's a table. Let me quickly show you the results. Perfect. You can see that each product has been cross joined with all the records that we have in the discount table. So for tablet, you can see that we have got 3 records. For laptop, we have got 3 records and it's for all the discounts for that matter. Okay. Now, that's not the only requirement. We have more requirements. So let me quickly show you the output. Here we have to show product ID name, which is coming from the product table, and discount label, which is coming from the discount table. So let me quickly add these columns. So I'll give an alias to product and same for the discount table. Okay. And here I'll say p dot product underscore ID, p dot product name. Also, we want the discount label. So d dot label. Okay. I hope there is no syntax error. Let me quickly run it. Okay, perfect. We have got this, but there's one more column if you see. So this column is discounted price. So we have to calculate the price of the products after the discount. Very simple. So let's quickly do some maths. And we are done. So there is a spelling mistake. Yeah, now it should be done. Perfect. So we have got the results. But as you can see that right now what we are getting is like so many zeros after decimal. So that's not the requirement. What we are going to do is we are going to round it off to 2 decimal places. So in order to do that, it's pretty simple. We are going to make use of round function. So the expression, that's the first parameter in the function. And the second parameter is that You want to round it till how many decimal places? So in our case, it's 2. Also, I'll give an alias to this column. And we are good. So we have got the expected output. That's all for this video. I hope we are clear with the cross join concept. Meet you in the next video.